Okay, so I'm going to make a video to try to save you a trip. I think your system is going to be similar to mine. I've got these two tanks here, these two blue tanks. These are the taller tanks. They're the standalone, not the double tanks with the little one on top. But you've got a couple of these, and we could use those. I've got calcite in both of mine, and that raises the pH of the water. And then it goes down here to this tank, which is one of the shorter, fatter blue tanks. And I have Catalox in this, which removes the iron and cleans up the water. And then I bought this tank, and I basically just keep air in this tank, and that aerates the water before it goes through everything else. It just makes everything more efficient if the water is aerated. So, and I think you'll have to do the same thing. The decision that you'll have to make is whether you want the automatic heads on top of each media tank, and you'd have to have three, because I think you'll have two tanks for calcite and one tank of Catalox. The automatic heads will automatically backwash and clean and rebed the media once a week. Does it all automatically, but they're expensive. They're about $250 a piece, and you would need three of them. Or you can kind of do it like you see that I've done it. I've sort of piped everything so that I can reverse the flow and manually backwash them all, which it's about 10 minutes once a week, so that's about 30 minutes for all three tanks. And then I also manually add air to this tank. I've got a air valve that I just hook my air compressor up to and add air into the system. So that's the question. Do you want to take about 30 minutes of your time each week to manually do it yourself, or do you want to have an automated system that will all do it for you? But it's more expensive. It's probably $800 or $900 more money that you'd spend for that. But that's what I was wanting to look at and explain to you. So anyway, you can let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.